what the deal? Yo, y'all watching this tape right now? That means I didn't make it. Either I'm a prisoner, or worse, dead. But either way it goes, I'm gonna tell y'all the rules to survive this situation. Rule number 1, you gotta be quick. Rule number 2, don't fall down. And rule number 3, whatever you do, never look back. Y'all wish me luck. Snatch and run, y'all!
Come back here, you motherfucker, you son of a bitch!
Y'all want drama, wanna make a scary movie. Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Y'all want drama, wanna make a scary movie. Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it.
Slash and gash. Cut another hole in your ass. Spill blood on the walls and play tennis with your balls. If the phone rings, don't answer the call. I'm gonna slit your throat. Fuck you like a goat. Peel your foreskin off and make a winter coat. I'm a deadly surprise. I scoop out both of your eyes. Scrape the meat off your thighs. Leave your carcass of flies. Cause everyone who meets up with me in the end eventually dies. I'm the last thing you see. I hang you from a tree. Scare the shit out of you, then watch your peace. I'm the badass. There ain't nobody. Your ice cold. Because I'm the fucking. I'm the badass. There ain't nobody. Your ice cold. Because I'm the fucking. I'm gonna slice and dice. Cause murder's my vice. Stab you once, twice, maybe even thrice. Carve initials in your liver, make you quiver, deliver. Yeah, that'd be nice. I dissect your heart, rip your entrails apart. Hack off your head, and that's just a start. I put the scary movie, make people do a doobie, make them pee up the place when they see my ghostly face. You better keep alert or you'll be sniffing in the dirt. I got a PhD and how to use my cutlery. I make you kneel and squeal as I turn you to a bill. You'll be sporting in your shorts and then sporting crimson quartz. I chop your virgin beaver with my shiny butcher's cleaver. Leave your cries in fear, it's music to my ears. I cut off Oscar Mayer's wiener, I stick it in a bun. Slap on some pickle relish, hey, and we having fun. I'm the badass, there ain't nobody. Your ice cold, because I'm the fucking. I'm the badass, there ain't nobody. Your ice cold, because I'm the fucking. I'm gonna cleave your gut, treat you like a slut. Mutilate your organs and shove them up your butt. I slit your ear to ear, you know what? Then I slam a beer. Soft your toes, jam them in your nose, cut your tongue out, feed it to a trout. Fry 'em in the pan, shoot it out my can, aim it at your face, then you know your place. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. And let me tell you once again, I'm the badass, there ain't nobody. Your ice cold, because I'm the fucking. I'm the badass, there ain't nobody. Your ice cold, because I'm the fucking. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. I promise you pain, I'm totally insane. I promise you pain.
Run, bitch! Run!
Like scrotum, here it is in a nutshell.
Starbucks, think I think you said,
I can feel